Yo guys, so today I will start like a little series. I have joined a game jam. It's called the beginner friendly game jam, as you can see here. It will start in like 20 minutes. So basically what a game jam is, if you don't know what a game jam is yet, a game jam is basically some kind of tournament where all kind of developers and artists come together and try to make the best game possible in a limited amount of time. So for this game jam, it's 7 days. We have 7 days to make a game. Yeah, and the team will be revealed in 20 minutes normally. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting for the jam to start, and let's do a fast forward real quick. All right, so the last couple of seconds are counting. There's still no theme, so we still don't know what kind of game we will make. But I'm very excited because this is my first game jam I will ever do. So hopefully it goes good. The last 10 seconds before we can start. Alright, and now we should have a team, but it's not really working. I don't know what's happening. I'm refresh. Yeah, okay. So things are not really working. There's no theme announced yet. Alright, so what the problem is, basically some things weren't working. With the hosts, his power went off, so no biggie. Just some waiting in the Discord, and it's fine. It took about 20 minutes for us to get the team. Alright, so the theme has finally been announced, so we can go ahead and create our game. So open our project, which is a new project. I already made it in advance. So as you can see here, the theme is super fast. So that's the theme of the game. The game has to be something around super fast. Alright, so let's start working on the game. So first of all, I deleted all of the things I had in that little project because I tested some things because it's the first time I will be making a 2D game. It's a little bit of a challenge for me. So there you go, everything is deleted, starting from scratch. And I'm using, yeah, of course, Brecky's videos for some knowledge. So I'm now gonna do a fast forward to where I start actually working on the game. Alright, so with all of that knowledge equipped, we can now finally start working on our game. I already have a little game ID in my head, so I'm gonna work on that. So what I'm doing now is I'm basically making the ground for the game, where the player will walk on. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm using the free Unity assets, by the way, which you can also download in the asset store. So here's just some basic map design. I know it's my first time making a 2D game. Okay, so that's basically the map design for now. because I want to work. I want to work somewhere on the features of the game and stop with the map design. So now I need a player, and yeah, I'm also putting some box collages on everything so we don't fall through the floor directly. So what I'm doing now is I'm making the player, of course using YouTube for some more knowledge. Yeah, so here's our player. We're making the player, and what I'm doing is I'm basically taking all of the assets here, I'm putting them in my scene, and then I'm basically just putting my character together. You can see on the right side what I'm doing. Just save it and check everything. I also still have to line up the character with the empty game object that I used to hold my character, because that will come in handy later, I think, or I hope so. If not, I will just delete it. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing right now. I want to say thanks for watching, guys. This will be 1 out of 8 or 7 episodes, and I hope you enjoyed this first one, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be tomorrow or in 2 days. It depends on how much work I have to do on the game and on the editing, because editing does take a while. But without further ado, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and don't forget to like.